Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Aadhaar and PAN details match. That avoids rejection. Once logged into the income tax e-filing portal with your PAN and OTP, go straight to the profile settings and select Link Aadhaar. Make sure your name, gender, and date of birth on both documents match exactly. Small mismatches cause failures. If they do, enter Aadhaar number and CAPTCHA, then request OTP to your Aadhaar-linked mobile to proceed. Now you'll see a screen showing Aadhaar and PAN details side by side. This is where you verify correctness. Once you enter Aadhaar and the CAPTCHA, request the OTP, the system sends it to the mobile number seeded with Aadhaar, so you must have access. When the OTP arrives, enter it promptly and submit. The portal cross-checks fields and either confirms linkage or shows the mismatch error. If matched, you'll get an on-screen success message and an acknowledgement number. After successful submission, download or note the acknowledgement number. This is proof of linkage and helps later queries. If the portal flags a mismatch, make the correction either through the Aadhaar self-service update or by updating PAN details with the tax department. These changes can take time, so reattempt linking after confirmation. If you don't receive an OTP, confirm your mobile is linked to Aadhaar, request resend, or contact UID support. Persistence works, but avoid multiple rapid attempts to prevent blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.